Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best mushroom soup. First, let's get those mushrooms perfectly sautéed. Use about 2 pounds of your favorite fresh mushrooms, sliced thinly. Cook them in 2 tablespoons of butter over medium-high heat. It's crucial to let them release their liquid and then reabsorb it, concentrating their amazing flavor. This step builds the foundation for a truly rich soup. Next, we'll build the aromatic flavor base. In the same pot, sauté 1 cup of finely chopped onions and 2 cloves of minced garlic until softened. Stir in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour to create a roux, cooking it for about 1 minute. Then, deglaze the pan with 1/2 cup of dry sherry, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. This adds incredible depth. Now it's time to bring everything together for a rich simmer. Gradually pour in 4 cups of high-quality vegetable or chicken broth, stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Once smooth, stir in 1 cup of luscious heavy cream. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 20 minutes. This allows all the wonderful flavors to meld and deepen beautifully. Finally, let's add those crucial finishing touches. Season your soup generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of fresh thyme. For a truly creamy texture, you can blend about 1/3 of the soup using an immersion blender or carefully in a regular blender, then return it to the pot. Serve hot, garnished with fresh herbs and a swirl of cream. Enjoy your masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.